The BM&M high-speed multi-deck screen. The high-speed multi-deck screen is easy to install, easy to operate, easy to optimize, and easy to maintain. In 1968, BM&M, a family-owned company, started out with one goal in mind: to supply high-speed screening solutions to all of the process industries. In 1975, BM&M worked in partnership with grain terminals. The BM&M engineers studied the grain terminal process and outlined needs of capacity, efficiency, and footprint. BM&M then offered a solution: the BM&M multi-deck screen, a patented high-speed screener with a very small footprint. The BM&M multi-deck is now perfectly suited and proven for applications such as grain terminals, the wood flour for the plastics industry, oil seed extraction plants, and the particle board industry. This video will show and discuss the specific features and benefits of BM&M's multi-deck model, and show why the multi-deck screen is the most economical choice in long-term screening solutions. In this 3D animation, we will show you how the multi-deck system works. The product flows through the RUBBLE deck and into the INFEED door assembly, where proportional spouts evenly distribute the particles onto each screen deck. The multi-deck shown has two parallel decks that hold 3 screens each. This provides a large screening area within a very small footprint. The multi-deck screen features a patented balanced design drive that allows the screen to operate at the higher speeds and larger strokes that are necessary to achieve maximum agitation of the screen product. This results in optimum capacity and efficiency for your screening investment. The drive bearing assembly is located on the center of gravity by design. The shaft in the drive bearing is designed to withstand the forces generated by the counterweight. The shaft is stationary and is set in a taper to provide immense structural rigidity for the bearing. The bearing hub counterweight and driven sheave assembly are the only moving parts in the entire drive. It's a simple process. Once a counterweight is placed in the screen, it pulls the screen assembly in a horizontal circular motion, creating the smooth gyrating screen action. Dynamic balance is achieved by placing the counterweight assembly as close as possible to the center of gravity of the screen's mass. BM&M screen action can be varied to suit the application. Speeds can be easily varied from 180 RPM to 350 RPM. However, BM&M has found that most multi-deck applications have been optimized in the 250 to 330 RPM range. The speed is easily adjusted in the field by a simple change in the motor drive sheave. The slope of the screen decks can be built at a slope of 5 to 7 degrees as the application demands. The screen slope is permanently set at the time of manufacturing. The stroke of the screen can quickly be changed in the field from a minimum 5/8 inch stroke to a maximum of a 1 1/4 inch stroke. Most multi-deck applications fall into the 7/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch range. Each multi-deck screen comes with a rubble deck. This rubble deck provides an INFEED impact surface which spreads the flow evenly across the width of the screen. And it also provides a rubble removal screen element to prevent large foreign materials from plugging the machine. The rubble screens are normally 3/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch woven wire. The BM&M INFEED air aspirator is a standard option for the multi-deck screens used on grain applications. With both open-loop and closed-loop designs available, BM&M can meet your air separation needs. The INFEED door assembly's primary function is to accept the full width flow of cascading material from the rubble deck and evenly distribute it to each screen deck or screen section of the multi-deck. BM&M utilizes specially designed proportional spouts to optimize the flow to each of the screen decks. The INFEED door assembly also provides a quick operator access point to the screen's interior for inspections and provides easy access for screen element changeouts. The discharge door is hinged to provide similar screen inspection and maintenance access as is provided by the INFEED door. The discharge door's primary function is to take each fraction from each screen deck and direct them to customer-specified locations at the discharge end of the screen. Keeping the screen elements clean and clear is imperative for maximum efficiency. This is accomplished by the multi-deck's ingenious ball deck design. The ball deck frames are mounted below the elements, so the synthetic balls will continually bounce against the bottom of the tensioned element, dislodging any pieces of product that happen to get stuck. The increased speed of the BM&M multi-deck screen helps deliver impressive screening performance and deblinding efficiency versus conventional 180 RPM screens. Removing the screen elements is designed to be effortless. As mentioned, BM&M provides screen element access doors at both ends of every machine. First, the camlock tension bolts are loosened on the selected screen element. Then the red camlock lifting thumb wheel is used to raise the camlock assembly off of the screen element. In this scene, the camlocks need only be raised to allow the elements to freely slide out the INFEED door. This enables quick and easy element removal. BM&M's unique camlock screen hold-down system provides a quick and simple method of changing screen elements while providing zero product leakage or product bypass problems. The camlock system works by loading a 3/16 inch diameter O-ring against the screen elements. This is accomplished by a rotary pivot arrangement and a series of rubber-sprung tension bolts. No other mechanical bolting or sealing is required, which greatly reduces the maintenance time and chances of bypass leakage seen on conventional multi-deck screeners. The multi-deck screen's unique hanger screen suspension design consists of 4 hanger assemblies. They allow the screen assembly to freely move in its orbital motion. This contributes to the multi-deck screener's smooth operation, as this simple design isolates the support stand from the gyrating screen assembly and helps make the multi-deck screener easy to install and easy to balance. It also makes it easy to maintain, as the simple, long-lasting system requires only periodic greasing. The multi-deck screener operates so smoothly it can actually be mounted on virtually any level of your plant or suspended from the existing overhead building steel using custom length hangers. BM&M's high-speed multi-deck screen is in fact so well balanced you can even run it without first bolting it down. This glass of water sitting on an operational multi-deck shows you just how vibration-free it really is. Multi-deck model numbers are simple to understand. Here's an example. The model number is 5033P11. The first two digits, 50, equals the area of each element. The third digit, a 3, is the number of screening decks above the drive. Then the fourth digit, 3, is the number of screening decks below the drive. The P indicates the decks are all in parallel to each other. The next numeral, a 1, is the number of screen element levels per deck located above the drive. That is 1, 2, or 3 different element sizes. And lastly, the last number 1 is the number of screen element levels per deck located below the drive. Model number 5033P11. At BM&M, we work in partnership with our clients to design a screen solution that will fulfill all of the process and payback requirements of the application. We encourage you to join us at our factory and witness a test run, after which we'll give you a written guarantee of performance at no charge. Our screening experts will attend the initial startup of your machine to make sure that it's tuned to operate at the peak efficiency determined during the testing. This commitment to our clients doesn't end with the sale. We'll also supply you with free factory testing for the life of the machine, generally over 20 years. The high-speed multi-deck model is manufactured at our BM&M facility, located near Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. BM&M has built a solid reputation through the dedication and the workmanship that goes into the manufacture of each new screener. At BM&M, we build quality into our products by employing highly qualified, experienced people. Many of our employees have been with us for over 20 years, and all fabricators and welders are certified Boilermaker welders. This guarantees that the final product is second to none in reliability the first time. BM&M manufactures the entire multi-deck model in-house. All fabricated components are assembled at our plant. From fabrication, to welding, to assembling, to plasma cutting, BM&M handles the entire manufacturing operation. Mr. Jerry Dickey, Terminal Manager for Cascadia Terminals, has this to say about his BM&M investments.
I'm Jerry Dickey. I'm the Terminal Manager at Cascadia Grain Terminal. I've been using BM&M cleaners for close to 20 years. We've been very happy with the service and reliability of the equipment and the maintenance costs. In total, in the last 11 years, I spent only $2,500 on 4-section rotaries, and that compared to a previous cost of $100,000 on average for a cleaner section in terms of maintenance. The only maintenance we've done is a screen change. None of the other equipment has ever failed. BM&M is highly reliable, and I would highly recommend them to any organization.
BM&M's patented design provides you with the efficiency and capacity you require, with a 3-year drive warranty to back it up. BM&M is a forward-thinking, innovative, and progressive company that will provide you with a total screening solution that is custom-tailored to your individual needs, and we guarantee the results. At BM&M, we supply a screening solution for your specific application, and we provide customer service for the life of the equipment. With a focus on doing the job right the first time, every time, we will achieve customer satisfaction, profitability, and competitiveness in both local and international markets. Whatever your next project's screening requirements are, give yourself the advantage. Specify a BM&M screening solution.